Meron ka bang i-share today? Meron ka bang word for today? Share.
Meron. Good morning, everyone. Share ko lang, lahat tayo nakakaranas na challenges, difficulties, ganon, mga pinapasukan tayo ng mga pain and fear. But one thing for sure, ang kailangan nating panghawakan, sabi ni Lord sa Exodus chapter 14, verse 14, sabi niya, let God fight for you, sabi niya. Ulit. God fight for you. Exodus 14:14. Yan, be still, stand still. Don't be afraid. Let God fight for you. You only need is to be still. Lahat po tayo nakakaranas ng challenges, difficulties, trials, and sometimes it causes so much pain and suffering sa atin. But si Lord, napakabuti niya kasi never niya tayong tinalikuran. Sabi niya, do not follow fear. Sabi ni Lord. And sa book ng Exodus, chapter 14, verse 14, sabi ni Lord doon, do not be afraid. Sabi niya, let God fight for you. You only need is to be still. Kailangan lang natin maniwala kay Jesus. Kailangan natin panghawakan yung mga promises niya. Sobrang daming promises na meron si Lord na sometimes mas marami pa yung kasagutan niya kaysa sa mga problema na dinadanas natin ngayon. Yan lang.